in New Zealand 36,000 people sustain a traumatic brain injury in any given year.
Kia ora e te iwi, koe malang Croft tōku ingoa, huri au no Ngāti Hine. I am a community engagement advisor here at Safekids Aotearoa. A lot of the feedback that we've had from our community providers really highlighted the fact that a lot of our whānau aren't aware of support services, prevention strategies. We really looked into what we can do, what we can provide, and so we have two amazing facilitators to present at our Traumatic Brain Injury Wānanga, Dr. Kelly Jones and Grace Shallard.
Tēnā koutou katoa. Ko Kelly Jones tōku ingoa. I'm a developmental psychologist, so I have a particular interest in children's recovery from traumatic brain injury, and so a lot of what we're doing during this workshop is sharing our research findings, but also working together with a wide range of people who work in the community, with whānau, to come together to educate, to raise awareness of what we mean when we're talking about traumatic brain injury, and to brainstorm and share ideas around preventative measures.
Kia ora koutou, my name is Grace Shallard and I'm the National Coordinator for the Power to Protect program. So the Power to Protect program is the program here in Aotearoa that aims to reduce the incidence of shaken baby syndrome. So essentially the program aims to empower all whānau or everyone looking after tamariki to cope with a crying baby and of the dangers of shaking a baby and therefore reducing the incidence of shaken baby syndrome here in New Zealand. There are some studies that indicate that the ratio of diagnosed to undiagnosed cases might be as high as 1 to 150. If that is the case here, then we're looking at about 3,000 babies a year that may have this sort of injury.
My own personal vision for these wānanga would be for people to learn and leave the wānanga knowing more about traumatic brain injury. How do we try and prevent these injuries? How do we support children's recovery? And taking back key learnings to share with perhaps their work colleagues, sharing with their teams. There are resources that will be provided that people can take away with them. The material that we're presenting in the wānangas will be relevant to anybody who's working in a community-based role, working with whānau, children, particularly young children under 5-year-olds.
It's a big problem, and obviously each one of those cases is an individual child and as a family and as a community that's hugely affected.